Hi Angelo, this is Nikki from Web On Point SEO. I shot a quick video to show you how to increase your online presence and generate more sales. I will go over your homepage really quick. First thing I noticed is your website is not secured. This is because SSL certificate is missing from your website. So I recommend to have someone to take a look at it. And this is your homepage, a beautiful picture, your contact information. Okay, so biggest thing is content. Google usually want to see at least 1,500 words on the homepage. You want to implement good buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for on Google search. The more content you have, the longer the Google bots will stay on your website and start trusting your website. Google loves to see what kind of services you provide in what area in detail. This is one of the example of good buyer intent keyword. When someone types garage door repair Tacoma W8, this is the result. So this area is called Map Pack. Usually top 3 listings here receive a lot of calls because it is super easy to be found. Being top 3 is extremely important for you to not only beat your competitors, but to help you generate local traffic towards your website. So how do you rank on this area? You can fill out as much information as possible on your Google business profile. If you do not have one, I highly recommend to create one Google business profile. And fill out your business name, phone number, business hours, and description as much as possible. Having more citations can help. So list your company name, phone number, address into as many directories as possible. Please make sure all information is exactly the same across the internet. Getting more 5-star Google reviews can definitely help too. Area is called organics. Ideally, you want to be in the top 3, if not at least on the first page is important. So currently, Precision, Yelp. So Precision is kind of a franchise company. So I chose Elite Garage as your competitor. So this is your website. They have big phone number over here and keywords. And they have good amount of content, but they can add more. And they have form submit over here. So I would like to show you something. This is a tool we use. It's called Ahrefs. This tool can analyze the website for us, and this is your website. So UR is trust rating with Google. Somehow it's not detecting. Could be related to your website not being secured. It could be a number of reasons. DR is power rating with Google. You have about 10 backlinks. What a backlink is basically another website that is coming back to your own website. You have about 6 keywords detected, and your competitor, they have about 1,600 backlinks, and they're using about 681 keywords on their website. Let's see what kind of keywords your competitor is using. Garage door repair Tacoma, about 400 people searching. Tacoma garage door repair, about 350 people searching. Tacoma garage door, about 200. Garage door repair Tacoma W8, 150 people. Garage doors Tacoma, about 200 people searching. So for your company website to start ranking on Google, add more content to your homepage and capture these high traffic buyer intent keywords added to your website and get more citations. So list your company name, phone number, and address as many places as possible. And get more high quality backlinks. So if you do those three, you're gonna start seeing your company website start ranking on Google search. I hope this information was useful to scale your business. If you want to learn more about how you can use this information into action, or if you just want to chat with us, please feel free to contact me anytime. Again, my name is Nikki and my company name is Web On Point SEO. I really hope this helps. Have a wonderful day.